What's your man Daym Props? I'm out here at Raceway Park, Englishtown, New Jersey. Today, I'm going back to school, driving school. The guys at Vehicle Dynamic Institute are about to show me some crazy maneuvers, though I probably can't ever take them to the streets. But we're gonna have fun anyway.
First exercise we're gonna do is our braking turn exercise. When this light comes on, you're gonna get hard on the brakes and turn the wheel. Stay in the lane, that's the objective.
All right, here we go. I'm going into it, my heart is already skipping beats. I'm like, is this like a first date? I'm about to get the first kiss? I was about to get the first kiss, because the way those cones are coming at me right now, and all I have to know is I have to slam on the brake after I see the light.
I'll compliment you. You were hard on the brake, and you kept the car in the center of the obstacle. You didn't hit any cones. We're gonna come down a little faster next time. We're gonna come down to 40.
Round two. Those cones jumped out at me. The cones got demolished. Focusing on the cones is a bad thing to do if you want to make it through the cones.
His first run, did decent. Second run, horrible. Hit like 6 cones, which we count as pedestrians.
I see what I did to you, and I know that it wasn't right. I ran up on you and the rest of your family like I didn't care. My bad.
Daym's still on the fence. I'm not sure if we're gonna pass or not. Depends on how he does on the next run.
Ready to roll again. At least didn't hit no cones that time.
All right, Daym, our second exercise is the evasive lane change exercise. There's a light on both sides of the lane. I want you to go in the direction the light came on. Drive around and get out that exit.
I can do that. Woo, someone died. Those cones came at me, they were ready to attack. I had to attack back, I got defensive. I didn't know, I was like, ooh, mind your business, cones. They didn't mind their business. I hit every cone possible. I hit cones that weren't even on the raceway. Well, that's what not to do.
You gotta brake harder. You get hangry sometimes, you might need a sandwich.
Just like Popeye loves his spinach, I love my sandwiches.
Final exercise, our Y turn exercise. You're gonna pull in, throw it in reverse. Come to a stop, drop it in drive, accelerate out here. You're backing up now, my friend.
Who?
You. Go, 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 don't waste time. Back to the gas, go, go, go.
Bite. Mama, I made it!
For a food critic, this guy is a heck of a driver.
I thought I knew how to drive. Today I learned how to drive.